Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to build a Shopify store with AI in just 5 minutes. So, if you want to launch a Shopify store in just 5 minutes without any coding or design skills, thanks to Storebuild AI, you can now create a fully functional Shopify store automatically using AI. In this step-by-step guide, I will show you exactly how to use Storebuild AI to set up a professional online store in minutes. Let's get started. So, step 1 is signing up on Storebuild.ai. Simply navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar, type in Storebuild.ai, hit enter, and it will take you to this page. Now, on this page, you can see you can create an online store in just 5 minutes for free. Simply click on Build My Free Store. You can also choose your niche. For example, I'm going to choose clothing and click on Build My Free Store. Now, I'll have to enter my email, then click on Create Your Free Account. After clicking on I agree to receive marketing recurring texts. Now, after clicking on Create Your Free Account, it will take you to this step that says Create a Shopify account and select a plan. So we have selected a niche. That was step 1. Step 2 was picking a color and picking up a banner that AI did for us, and we'll have to just scroll down and click on register on Shopify or click on next Shopify link. So you'll have to click on register on Shopify button below if you're not registered on Shopify. Now on this page, we'll have to create a Shopify account and select a plan. So before we continue, you need to create a Shopify account with an active subscription. That way, they'll have a place to load our brand new store. So you can try Shopify for free for 3 days and then pay just $1 a month for first 3 months to sign up. Now, click on register on Shopify and this will take you to another page where you can easily enter your email address and click on start free trial button. Now, when you click on start free trial, you have to just enter a password to continue. Click on login. So just enter your password, click on login, and here you'll have to click on confirm or just remind me next time. And you'll be taken over to admin.shopify.com, that is building your Shopify store. You'll have to choose where would you like to sell, which best describes you, and what do you want to plan to sell. Then click on next, and this will instantly take you to this page. We'll have to choose the best plan for you. So click on skip, I will decide later, or you can also choose a plan and complete the payment and you'd have an active subscription for Shopify. Now you can see we are all set. Here you can click on next Shopify link button, getting back to Storebuild.ai's page, and click on I have activated it button. Now you'll have to simply navigate back to your Shopify page that you just logged in. Copy the link at the top, go back here, paste your admin store link and click on save. Now click on next winning products button and it will take you to this page. Here you'll have to click on activate Zendrop button. This will open up another tab. We'll have to click on install button and it will instantly install Zendrop. After installing Zendrop, you'll be taken to this page. We'll have to click on install button again and this will install Zendrop on your Shopify store that you just built. Now, you'll have to go back at this page that is Storebuild.ai's page, then click on next store build button and this will take you to this page where it says your dream store is just minutes away. Click on next go live at this option, that is 7th step. Now, it says important Shopify subscription required. So you'll have to just make sure that you have Shopify subscription because it is mandatory. So you'll have to click on verify my Shopify plan and after buying a new plan. And after you do this, you'll be taken over to another page where you can easily let AI build your store. So now comes the magic. Storebuild.ai will generate a complete Shopify store for you based on your niche and preferences. After you complete these steps, so enter your store name, choose a business category, AI will suggest a pre-designed template, select the one that fits your brand, and Storebuild.ai will now generate a professional storefront with images and layout, product listings with descriptions, categories and navigation, basic SEO optimized content, and this entire process takes just a few minutes. Now, step 4 will be customizing your AI generated Shopify store. So while AI does most of the work, you might want to tweak the design to make it unique. You'll have to simply go to your Shopify's theme editing page, navigate back to Shopify, click on online store. Now that will take you to themes. You'll have to click on the customize button and you'll have to basically edit product descriptions and images if needed. You can add your branding, including your logo, favicon, and business name. Then you'll have to set up payments and shipping. So in Shopify, go to settings and navigate to payments and connect PayPal, Stripe or Shopify here by choosing a provider by clicking on this button or adding a payment method. Now, step 6 is launching and start selling. So your AI generated Shopify store will now be ready after completing these steps. But before launching, preview your store to check the design and functionality, do a test order to ensure payments work, and click go live and start promoting your store. And that's it. In just 5 minutes, you have built a fully functional Shopify store with AI. So that is how you do it. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.